Darna.
Right?
Are you ready? Do you want more, Greta?
Do you want more? Do
Would
you
you like
want more?
more?
Can you say please?
Hang on.
No.
Hi, darling. Was that fun? Was that fun? Guess what? It's time to go to bed. Do you want to read some stories? Okay. You want to help out?
Must be dizzy.
Did you say night-night to Dad?
We'll leave it right here. We'll do it again tomorrow. We'll leave it right there. Yeah, we'll leave it right there. We'll do it in the morning.